All right, welcome to Ipek's Wicked Kitchen. Today I have a very unique specialty from Mediterranean, Turkey. Lamb chops going to be grilled inside these clay pot and on the grill. It's going to be delicious, like you're making a barbecue with your meat and vegetables all together. So I'm going to show you how to mix all that in one pot. So what I have is I trimmed all the fats from my lamb chops with the bones. Sometimes lamb comes without the bones, but I like them in the bone. And I'm gonna put them in the little pots. I have some green beans. Again, this is a Mediterranean recipe. They eat green beans in Europe a lot. Little baby potatoes, which is our carbs. And we have some zucchinis. We got some hot red pepper, one mild pepper. Then I have some chopped tomatoes. And I have some, not this one. Oh. I already sliced. And white and red onions. I have some garlic, bay leaves, and some oregano and salt, paprika. That's pretty much it, guys. And I have some sliced eggplants. I dipped them in the water, salt, so it takes all the bitterness. They turn black, brown. So you want to keep them in the water with the salt until you're ready to take them out. So let's move on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to slice some of the meat so you don't have to eat the whole big chunk. And then the rest, of course, with the bone, I'm gonna leave it on. And then we have another one. Here's some more. And just leave this one. And then I'm gonna maybe add for flavor, little couple fat. And it will dissolve. You don't have to eat it, but it will give some flavor to the rest of the vegetables. So first we have to season our meat before we put the vegetable. I'm just gonna pinch some salt, okay, and little pinch over here. So we're doing basic for 2 people. Me and my partner chef, Mr. Sal, loves this recipe. And little oregano, okay. You must have some oregano on the lamb. That's your European, Middle Eastern famous herb. Now we're gonna put some paprika, okay? And you just like, if you use your fingertips, little pinching, you can't go wrong with that. Little pepper, okay? All right, so now we got the meat dressed up. Just like to put some couple garlic just to give flavor. And I'm gonna crush them first so that we can take the skin off. And we're not gonna eat them. That's why I'm gonna put them big, so we don't eat it. One more, and then the other one right here. So now we did that. We put couple bay leaves, and we'll give some different nice flavor. Bay leaves are really fresh. Okay. My next vegetables, I'm gonna use some beans, okay? And not a lot, just And snap them like in half, so they're not huge. Okay, and this one also. Now we're gonna put some potatoes and put them in their bottom. These are really great. And we're gonna use them on the open fire. So they're gonna grilled and brown. So my next thing is going to be, yes, I can use some onions in there. See? Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. If you don't like onions, you can just leave them out. I love onions. I mix them with the red and white, and they'll give a different flavor. So now we did that. Now we're gonna put some our zucchinis. Okay, and you don't take the skin off. It has a lot of vitamins, so we're using them with the skin on. Okay, and don't worry, because they're gonna shrink as they go down. They'll go down. So okay, now we want to use some more salt for the vegetables. And okay, so a little bit more pepper. And I brought some eggplant now. Okay, I put them in the water. So they're kind of little big, so just chop a little bit more smaller. And then I have to add some red mild peppers. Now, this one is going to be mine, so I like my food spicy. So I'm putting some hot serrano peppers. Those are hot red. Maybe I'll burn my partner's mouth with the one red peppers. And I have jalapeno that I'm going to add for mine. And okay, so now we need to put some tomatoes, right? Okay, so tomatoes going to dissolve. It's gonna go down and becomes our liquid. Okay, so tomato's not gonna stay firm. It's just gonna give some nice savory flavor. And if you don't like tomatoes, you can leave them out, but I love tomatoes. And now I'm going to put some more salt, because now it's the top. Just pinch again. A little bit here, a little bit there. Very easy meal to make, but the outcome, the result is simply delicious. This is the oregano. We're gonna top with the oregano. It's very clean, low calorie, low carb meal. So just go like this, and a little bit here. It's okay. You can dip, you make a pasta or something, bread. You can dip with your bread. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put them on the grill. I have a gas grill like Weber. If you have a charcoal grill, it's even better. Put it out on the fire. It's the winter now. People can cook it in the fireplace, outdoor. You can cook it in the oven and maybe air fryer. So I think I'm gonna cook them for probably over 40 minutes each. They're gonna be together, so 40 minutes. I'm gonna check. It should be done by then. You know, vegetables and 3-4 meat doesn't take very long. Okay, guys, cheers, and I'll be back, and I'll show you how delicious they're gonna come out. Get ready for dinner. Get your spoon, your fork, your bread. Cheers. Okay, so I just got them out of the grill, and they're still cooking, as you can see, bubbling. And it was about 55 minutes to maybe an hour, and but it smells, aroma is gorgeous. Look at the steam. Here's our lamb from the bottom. Here's some little potatoes. I can't wait to put it in my mouth, but it's still cooking, as you can see. But the aroma is delicious. I mean, the whole house smells like fresh roasted vegetables with the lamb. You can certainly use another type of meat, you know, with the beef, with the bones. And look how gorgeous it came out. So, delicious. Oh, ooh. But yeah, try this on the weekend when you have time. Bon appetit. This Mediterranean güveç on the grill.